And so, hello everyone, owners, Yamaha rider. Look here, today I polished axle cover for swing arm for my productions. This part I made many time. I do it another style for 3D printer and aluminium and another style and many time doing this. And now I doing another. Look here, this polished short axle cover and installing for this swing arm. My customer sent me about installing these parts. She's very easy, no problem for installing. Look here, you take here these parts and this bolted, and you take your swing arm and here, and this bolted, you need it 1 minute. Look here, you take it's all, and this swing arm installing, she's very cool, she's very fine, polished, not chrome. These parts shine and very nice, very cool. And now two parts, take and go for installing 1 minute. Yes. And so two short cover installing for swing arm. It's doing very easy and very nice for your motorcycle. This short version, but I can do it long version for here these parts. All questions, private message for me. I send you price and all information. I do it this part for full order, PayPal. If you interesting, write me.